In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on all your devices. This is an important step, especially if you've been using different gadgets to access your Slack workspaces and you want to ensure your account's security by signing out everywhere except your current session. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Slack's website. Once there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You're one step ahead. If not, just go through the usual login process by entering your email and password. When you're logged in, you'll notice different workspaces you might be a part of if you're collaborating with multiple teams or projects. Decide which workspace you'll operate from during this process, because you'll need to specify which one you are managing. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen. You should see a tiny circular icon or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to a drop-down menu that contains several options relating to your account settings. From that menu, you want to select Profile. This might seem like a roundabout way to get to where you're going, but stick with me, because right after this step, you'll find what you're looking for. Once you click Profile, a pop-out menu should appear. It brings you one step closer to our objective. In the pop-out menu, look for and select Account Settings. As you click on this, a new page will load. When this page appears, you'll see a range of options linked to your account security and settings. Scroll through the options until you see the Sign Out All Other Sessions feature. This is what we've been aiming for. It's usually situated somewhere towards the lower segment of the options available to you. Don't rush through this part. Take a moment to review the surrounding settings to familiarize yourself